Hey everyone, welcome back to Signal Shift, your go-to channel for real-time financial intelligence with zero fluff. Today is Friday, May 16th, and here's what's really driving the markets. US stocks are on the rise again. But is it sustainable? Stick around as I break down the key facts, global reactions, and what it means for your wallet. Are we finally turning a corner on inflation and the trade war with China? Or is this just another temporary high before the next drop? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. Let's get to the numbers. As of mid-morning trading, the Dow is basically flat, while the S&P 500 is up 0.09%, and the Nasdaq is up 0.08%. Now here's the kicker. The S&P 500 is officially positive for the year for the first time since February. That's after an 18% climb since its April lows. We're now just inches away from all-time highs. What's behind this rally? A lot of it comes down to China. Earlier this week, Washington and Beijing announced a 90-day pause on tariffs, basically a ceasefire in the trade war. The U.S. effective tariff rate dropped from 24% to 14%, and Wall Street loved it. It's not a full deal yet, but the market is treating any progress as a big win. What do you think? Can this truce hold? Smash that like button if you want me to track how this unfolds week by week. But wait, there's more good news. U.S. inflation came in cooler than expected. Consumer prices rose just 2.3% in April, the lowest in 4 years. Retail sales also slowed, and producer prices fell. That's giving the Federal Reserve space to hold off on more rate hikes. Investors are now betting on up to 2 rate cuts by the end of the year. The bond market responded fast. The 10-year Treasury yield fell to 4.42%. Let me ask you this. If rates drop and trade tensions ease, are we headed into another bull market? Globally, the picture's mixed. In Asia, the Hong Kong Hang Seng dropped 0.8%, mostly thanks to Alibaba missing earnings, but Australia's ASX jumped nearly 0.7%. European markets? Modest gains. London's FTSE is up about 0.3%, wrapping up a solid week. Across the board, investors are breathing a bit easier, but staying cautious. So, are we back in a sweet spot, or just caught in a sugar high? Here's what I'm watching next. Will inflation keep cooling? Can the Fed actually cut rates? And will the US-China talks hold up? Drop your take in the comments, and if you found this useful, give us a like, subscribe, and share it with your investing circle. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching Signal Shift. I'll be back tomorrow with another real-time briefing. Until then, stay sharp and stay informed.